subscribe.
First, moisturize your lips. You can use Vaseline or any moisturizer that you have. And then next I'm going in with this signature pink lipstick. It's very affordable, very cheap. Goes at 100 Kenyan shillings or $1 US. And then after that I'm going in with my number 1 Davis lip liner, or you can as well start with the lip liner before doing the lipstick. You can start with either the one that you're comfortable with. And then next I'm going in with this pink lip gloss. And guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment, turn on the notification bell. You can put any amount of the lip gloss that you want till you feel contented. And that's the final look of the lips. You can see how pink they look. A sweet pink. I love them. I don't know what about you. You can comment down below what you think. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.